Guten Morgen, ich bin dann der Prof von Luxembourgish with Anne am heiersten Wochenlektion, and here is your weekly lesson. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to say in Luxembourgish, I prefer, and how to talk about preferences in Luxembourgish. Now, many students have asked me to do a lesson about this subject as they are often struggling when trying to talk about their preferences. So, here you go. Are you ready for the lesson? Bist du bereit für die Lektion? Dann los! Luxembourgers indicate that they prefer doing one thing over another by using the expression leven. So pronounce it leven. Leven is an adverb, so it can only be used in tandem with a verb. So you have the construction verb plus leven. Leven is the comparative form of gare. So gare is to like something. And I have made another lesson about the adverb gare, and I have put a link under this video. Let's move on. Let's have a look at an example with a verb plus leven. Beispiele. Ich trinke gern Kaffee, aber ich trinke lieber Tee. So this means I like to drink coffee, but I prefer to drink tea. So you see we have the verb drinken followed by the adverb leven. Ich trinke gern Kaffee, aber ich trinke lieber Tee. Another example. Fährst du gern am Auto? Ja, aber ich gehe lieber zu Fuß. Do you like to drive? Yes, but I prefer walking. Here you have the verb goen, so ich gehen, followed by lieber. Fährst du gern am Auto? Ja, aber ich gehe lieber zu Fuß. And a last example. Willst du lieber ein Salat oder ein Suppe essen? Do you prefer to eat a salad or a soup? Willst du lieber ein Salat oder ein Suppe essen? Here we have a question, so we start with the verb followed by the subject, and then immediately after the subject you put your adverb lieber. Alles okay? Dann weiter. If, however, you compare two terms or items, you must insert the conjunction they as well. So you can say they or a they. It's the same. Beispiele, examples. Ich schwätze lieber Französisch wie Deutsch. I prefer to speak French over German. So here we compare two terms. Ich schwätze lieber Französisch wie Deutsch. Or you can say, ich schwätze lieber Französisch wie Deutsch. Both are correct. Ich spiele lieber Tennis wie Squash. I prefer to play tennis over squash. Ich spiele lieber Tennis wie Squash. And a last example. Mein Bof isst lieber Nudeln wie Grumperen. My son prefers to eat noodles over potatoes. Mein Bof isst lieber Nudeln wie Grumperen. And here in all the examples you can as well see that you have your verb in the first sentence schwätzen, in the second sentence spielen, in the third sentence ist, so the verb essen, all followed by the adverb lieber. So remember that you have to put your verb followed by the adverb. If the comparison is between three or more terms or items, then you use the expression am liebsten. But you can as well use the expression am liebsten to express that you prefer to do something the most. Let's have some examples. Beispiele. Ich kann Englisch, Französisch und Lützeburgisch, aber am liebsten schwätzen ich Lützeburgisch. So this means I know English, Luxembourgish and French, but I prefer to speak Luxembourgish the most. Ich kann Englisch, Französisch und Lützeburgisch, aber am liebsten schwätzen ich Lützeburgisch. Let's have another example. Also, ich esse am liebsten schwarze Schokolade. I prefer to eat dark chocolate the most. Also, ich esse am liebsten schwarze Schokolade. Now, if you want to state that something is your favorite item or your favorite person above all, then you can use the word Liebling. Now, Liebling means favorite, but when you want to add the item or the person you like the most above all, you have to add the S, so Lieblings, and pronounce the S, Lieblings. Let's have some examples. Beispiele. Mein Lieblingsbuch aus. So to express my favorite book is mein Lieblingsbuch aus. Or mein Lieblingstart aus. This is my favorite tart is mein Lieblingstart aus. Mein Lieblingstart aus Erdbeerstart. Mein Lieblingsschriftsteller aus. My favorite author is. Mein Lieblingsschriftsteller aus. Great! Well, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and if you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And I invite you as well to read the full transcript of this lesson on my blog luxembourgishwithanne.lu/blog. And on my website luxembourgishwithanne.lu you can find as well all the courses I offer. So I have online courses to start learning Luxembourgish from scratch. I have an online course to get ready for the Luxembourgish nationality test, and I offer as well one-on-one coaching lessons. If you want to get in touch with me, just email me at anne@glift.lu. Merci für das Zugucken. Thank you for watching.